Let's open the Spotify account. So first, make sure to install Spotify from Play Store, and I assume you that you guys have already done this. Simply tap and sign up for free. So here you have a multiple choice. You can either use your email ID or you can simply use Google. So if you go to email, you need to input email and you will need to confirm from your Gmail. So if you guys wanted to hit hassle free, you can simply go ahead and continue with Google and choose a preferred Gmail. Wait for a moment and set up your birthday. After setting a birthday, click on next. So now input your username for Spotify and tap in agree. Then simply you can create account and you can turn on the notification if you wanted to get some update about new music or events and everything. But I basically prefer not now. Now you can choose some artists that you like. You can also search manually, and once you guys are done, you can just tap and done, just like this. Now you can hit on start listening. Okay, now it's asking you that are you currently enrolled in higher education or not. So I'm just going to tap on no because I'm not. So you can see that now it's playing Spotify songs for you, and it also optimized the library for you based on whatever artist you have chosen. You can see that. So also I forgot to tell you that you need to confirm your email from Gmail. So just go to Gmail and make sure to choose the correct ID that you guys have used for setting up the Spotify, and you will get this email. So just tap and confirm and you guys are all set. So yeah, this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.